Okay, so this is one of the chairs that was fabric covered, and I wanted to create a slip cover for it. So what I'm doing now, I just took some old sheets, actually some old sheets that I had used for painting, and I've started to drape it over the chair, and I'm just following the lines of the chair. So that's the inside seat cushion part. Um, Sorry, I'm working in the icky room, the sunroom, and then this is the back. And I just need to pin and stitch this part together. Then I'll do the arms, which are have their own special shape, and then we're gonna do part for a cushion. So once again, you're just taking a sheet and you're just draping it along the lines of the chair or whatever you're working on, and you're just going to stitch those pieces together.